there's a lot of chatter right now around whether or not President Trump is changing your Medicare benefits. So as I record it, it is January 29th, 2025. And at this point in time, there are news articles around the fact that President Trump is making some changes to Medicare, especially around your prescription drug plan. But in this video, I'm gonna walk through what are we seeing and does it impact you or does it not? And what should you be aware of when it comes to getting the most out of your Medicare benefits? I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. We're an independent Medicare consultant, helping our clients navigate both the insurance company options and the government rules to help them do what's right and best for them when it comes to Medicare. So at this point in time, there have been some announcements around Trump's changes to the Medicare Part D or prescription drug coverage changes in general. And here's what I want to kind of cut to the chase at. He's looking at certain things like negotiating prices and other things like that. What he's not touching, which I think is very important, he's not looking to change or get rid of the $35 insulin cap. And that's important. That $35 insulin cap was a really big deal for people who are diabetic. And so therefore, that is not, as of now, being touched when it comes to Medicare, which is a great thing for people on insulin. Number two, they're not going to be touching, the news is that they're not going to be touching the $2,000 medication copay cap that was released just this year in 2025, which I think is also a really good thing. The new rule came out saying that medication copays for an entire calendar year cannot be over $2,000. We had clients in the past who were paying a lot more than this. So the 2,000 cap is very important. So I'm glad that that's not being touched either. I do want to say one thing though about the $2,000 cap for medication copays. It only applies to medications on the plan's formulary, which is kind of the approved list of medications that a plan has. So in order for that cap to be worthwhile, we have to still have a medication that's on that plan formulary. So my point is this. At this point in time, there's a lot of noise. There's a lot of kind of changes happening overall. We don't see major changes happening right now to Medicare, especially because the insulin cap's being protected as well as the $2,000 cap is being protected. We continue to watch it closely, but even as changes are happening through the government, it can take time to actually implement. And so we'll see it kind of evolve over the next few months and years. We will keep you all posted, but at this point in time, the important parts of Part D that have happened recently, the insulin cap, the $2,000 cap is very important. And so we're glad to see that those are being protected. All right, so again, follow along for more inside tips to help you get the most out of your Medicare benefits.